Hello everyone, welcome to the DAYUN motorcycle live stream of the 132nd Canton Fair. My name is Lassie. It's my great honor to meet you all here. Although I can't communicate with you face to face, I think it's good for you to hear me share this way. At least no one can interrupt me. Of course, I also hope to interact with you, so you can leave your suggestions in our comment area, or you can write down the contact information in the scrolling subtitles at the bottom of the screen and contact us by email. Also, I want you to scan the QR code on the screen and pay attention to our Facebook official account so that you can see the product information we actively provide you in a more timely manner. What I'm going to share today feels more like a lifestyle activation, a primitive pursuit. Maybe not every consumer is interested, but I hope I can infect you today, activate your inner desire and ignite enthusiasm. Now, I want to introduce my partner today, the off-road motorcycle next door to me. Let's see. Wow, what an awesome motorcycle! Well, at least I think so. It's very man, right? The name is Hunter. Let it introduce itself. Please put the video. How about it? Is it very rough, stable, and give us a sense of safety? I can't wait to share its creative features with all of you. Hunter is an off-road motorcycle independently developed by DAYUN Motorcycle. It's a model specially created for you. With this motorcycle, you can stay away from the noise and thickness of the city and yearn for nature. Think about it. What a wonderful enjoyment it is to climb mountains and mountains, sit in the green forests, get the exciting sense of blood flow. You are accompanied by green mountains, clear waters, and release yourself in speed and passion. Whatever on the light land, steep slopes, and mountain roads, you can always enjoy the most incisive camino. If you want to feel the unimaginable speed like wind, you must drive an off-road motorcycle. Then, since you want to enjoy the right thrill of off-road, it's very important to choose a good partner. I feel Hunter can't wait to show it. Let's watch the film first. The shape of this motor is strong and tough, like a hunter ready to go, just like its name, Hunter. The piercing lens headlights make the night like day-night, and the economical headlight bracket is unforgettable at the first sight. The instrument panel adopts a combination of liquid crystal and stepper motor. You can feel the reliable performance, complete indicating functions, and high precision. At night, you can see the dial clearly and don't feel dazzling. Now, let me introduce the body size. The length is 2,160 mm. The width is 860 mm and 1,160 mm height. The seat is 810 mm high. When you ride it, you will get a wider vision. The ground clearance is as high as 220 mm, so you will pass all kinds of ground conditions easily and smoothly, such as grass, desert, and jungle can be easily faced. Of course, if you want to be a city hunter, it's best to have long legs in order to cope with the frequent suspension of urban traffic. Can you see the large fuel tank? The 16-liter large fuel tank is also one of the advantages of Hunter. The cruising range can reach 500 kilometers. There is no need to worry about fuel consumption when riding long distance. Sometimes you will worry about to find a gas station, but with a Hunter, even in the wild with few gas stations, it's enough for you to go wild. The shape of the extended seat cushion is very impactful, equipped with high resilience sponge, high elastic leather, strong wear resistance of leather, super long riding surface, and good riding comfort, extending to the fuel tank. The tachometer adopts the traditional pointer type. You can see the speed, fuel volume, and time clearly on the digital display screen. It's very accurate and clear at a glance. The front and rear winkers are bullet type, just like the sensitive ears of a wolf, generous and beautiful. The new 23.6-inch spoke aluminum wheels give the Wild Hunter a retro taste, with aesthetics and functionality at the same time. Also, you can see the deep gear tires. They are wear resistant and have a strong grip. Even you ride on the rough road, it's very durable and not easy to slip. In consideration of safety, we designed a stable headlight guard, handlebars, front bumpers, and ram bumpers. They provide ubiquitous protection for riders and motorcycles, making outdoor riding safer. The front and rear shock absorbers are thickened and the frame is strengthened to make riding on non-paved roads more comfortable for a long time. This model is also equipped with a traditional flip-up light shelf, which makes it easy to get travel equipment. The whole vehicle braking system adopts front and rear drum brakes, which is more suitable for the rough use environment in the wild. The dynamic muffler shape is more in line with the vehicle style, and the nylon muffler decorative cover not only has a beautiful appearance, but also has a better anti-scalding effect. Even you ride for a long time, you will not feel too hot. Engine is very important, just like the heart of motorcycle. Our Hunter adopts a reliable EDF 150cc engine. The EDF engine is one independently developed by DAYUN Motor. It's equipped with an electric foot starting method, with low noise and low fuel consumption, only 2.3 per 100 kilometers, which not only greatly reduces the vibration of the whole motorcycle, but also helps it play the best performance. After listening to my detailed introduction, I believe that you already have a certain understanding of Hunter's performance. Are you looking forward to Hunter's comprehensive performance capability? Next, let's take a look at how Hunter exerts its performance. Practice brings true knowledge, and whether a motorcycle is good or not needs to be verified by consumers in the market. The Hunter was launched last year and has been welcomed and loved by consumers from different countries and regions. Now, let me share my customers' understanding of this car. Since its launch, Hunter has become a hot favorite motorcycle of grassland herdsmen. Knights on horseback love this kind of freedom to run in the wild without limits. There is an ancient standpoint under boundless sky on the vast world. Cows and sheep can be seen when the wind blows and the grass lowers. Yes, the grass on the grassland is almost half a meter to 1 meter high. If you want to drive freely on the grass, it's not something that ordinary motorcycles can do. This Hunter is perfect for such road conditions because it has one of the biggest features of off-road vehicles, that is, high fenders. When riding, the high fenders can greatly reduce the grass being rolled into the front wheel and reduce obstruction of the grass to the wheel. On modern grasslands, when herdsmen graze cattle and sheep, horseback riding is no longer their best choice. Riding on the Hunter is more reckless and labor-saving. There is no doubt that Hunter has become the most effective grazing assistant for herdsmen. At the same time, we all know that grasslands are vast and sparsely populated, and different from living together in cities. Each herdsman is usually far apart. In the past, hunting out and visiting relatives and friends was definitely a time-consuming and labor-intensive thing. Now it is different. You can go wherever you want to ride on the Hunter with fast speed and stable riding, and the 16-liter light fuel tank make people more worry-free. Who doesn't want to own a Hunter? In addition to grass, Hunter can also exert its excellent performance on complex terrain such as jungle. One of my clients mentioned that he used to ride his Hunter through the jungle and small streams, and come and go. What impressed him the most was Hunter's deep gear tires, because we use the famous tire brand Canton tires, and at the same time thicken the tires, which are stronger than ordinary tires. deep gear tires can greatly increase the grip, and it's not easy to sleep when it's raining. In addition, some customers in Africa have reported that riding the Hunter in the desert is like walking on flat ground, which is very suitable for long-distance riding in the desert. The EDF engine is not only powerful at high speed, but also provides a wider and smoother power output at low revs. Moreover, the driver of the motorcycle is comfortable to operate, has a strong sense of operation, and will not feel tired after riding for a long time. In particular, its frame design also makes this motorcycle more lightweight and effortless to drive. The power is strong, the passability is good, and the driving feeling is comfortable even in the Gobi Desert. In fact, I like the name Hunter very much. We can imagine a handsome hunter galloping on the endless grassland, making after the prey, enjoying the thrill of hunting, and tasting the results of the capture. Fast, flexible, decisive, patient, and persevering. These all fit the image and characteristics of Hunter very well. I wonder if it can become your dream locomotive. The off-road motorcycle is a very practical model. Not only there are many off-road vehicle events in the world for entertainment, but it's deeply loved by motorcycle enthusiasts. It's practical and convenient, widely used, suitable for various terrains and scenes, and is a helpful friend for life and production. Whether it's grazing on the grassland, or on the rough road, or desert stone road, Hunter is your good partner. After listening to so many introductions, do you like this motorcycle? Do you have any thoughts on it? You are welcome to express your opinions, or you can write down the contact information in the scrolling subtitles at the bottom of the screen and contact us by email. Of course, it's better to scan the QR code on the screen and pay attention to our official Facebook account, so that you can see the product information we actively provide you in a more timely manner. Thank you to all the great people at Lab for having us here. Please contact us if you are interested in Hunter. Goodbye, see you next time.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the DAYUN Motorcycle Canton Fair live broadcast. I'm Nikki, and it's a pleasure to be here today to share with you our company's models, developed for different market needs. I hope you can find your satisfactory dream motorcycle here, and I hope that everyone will actively interact and leave your suggestions in our comment area so that we can better understand your needs. Okay, so let's focus on today's protagonist, the DAYUN Boxer, also known as the DY11526A, which is a motorcycle that combines practicability and leisure. Next, please follow me to know more details about this motorcycle. Stay tuned and hope it will become your dream motorcycle. First of all, its body size length 2045mm with 820mm, height 1315mm. Compared to other motorcycles of the same model, it is taller and means that you can carry passengers and more cargo. It is at a height of 800 millimeters, which allows the drivers to land on both feet and drive more smoothly. With the wider seat cushion, the driver and the passengers will not feel too tired, even if they drive for a long time. We are showing today is the classic blue and black, which is more fashionable and cool at the same time. Of course, we are not limited to this kind of combination. We adjust the color according to customer needs. The headlight has a strong light penetration, which can maintain good lighting capability even on rainy and foggy days, providing effective lighting guarantees for drivers. Another small detail is that its front electric plated, which can effectively protect the headlights. In addition, we also equipped the black headlight shield, giving the headlights double protection so that the driver can travel outside more as easy. The instrument accurately displays various operation information of the motorcycle. Common information such as fuel, speed, gear is available, and it has good adaptability to the environment. Of course, the biggest highlight of this motorcycle is that it's equipped with the EDF 115cc engine, independently developed by our company. The EDF engine shows excellent low speed response and smooth acceleration. With low vibration and noise, strong power, easy start, and very comfortable and easy to drive. In addition to the engine, I believe the endurance is also a point of great concern. This motorcycle maintains the consistent high quality of our company, with good fuel economy and long-distance stability. The fuel tank has a fashionable shape and capacity of up to 15 liters. This design can effectively solve the problems of fuel gas stations and the long distance between gas stations in some countries, and ensure the demand for long-distance driving. The decals of both sides of the fuel tank are very simple, full of leisure, and the overall paint surface is delicate and very rich. Our company is specially equipped with head cover for this motorcycle to provide protection when the driver falls down accidentally. The scenic rear shelf greatly improves the practicability of the motorcycle, making it convenient to bundle luggage or add a tire box. The shelf also protects the tail lights. The seat cushion is almost flush with the rear shelf, which allows a large space for two people to ride, significantly improving the comfort of driving. At the same time, it further enhances the cargo placement capacity of the motorcycle and significantly improves the practical performance. In addition, considering the safety of daily riding and the beauty of the whole motorcycle, a large area of anti-scalding protection plate is used in the rear section of the muffler to avoid the motorcycle's bends due to accidental rollover. In terms of driving performance, this motorcycle has also improved significantly compared with other models of motorcycle. A wheelbase is only 1,315 millimeters. Its ground clearance is 165 millimeters. and its ceiling height is only 850 millimeters. High tolerance for drivers. People of ordinary height can also drive easily. Off-road motorcycles are more bulky than ordinary ones. It is particularly important to choose a motorcycle with sufficient power and more flexible operation. This motorcycle is popular with the masses because of which can carry a lot of goods while carrying people. An excellent off-road motorcycle should not only run smoothly on the highway but also be able to walk smoothly on the rugged road. The DY115-26A has this advantage perfectly. The motorcycle is equipped with deep-tread anti-skid tires, and the front mudguard keeps enough distance from the tires so that the motorcycle can adapt to various complex roads. The weight of the motorcycles is controlled at 830 kg. The motorcycle body is light, the steering is light, and the ride is flexible and more comfortable. The gear lever is a traditional front and rear slipping design, which will not rubber the upper. The brake pedal has a large area, and the surface is engraved with anti-slip lines, giving consideration to comfort and convenience. Of course, a good motorcycle needs not only good performance, but also a high cost-performance ratio. Our DAYUN motorcycle is a comprehensive company integrating in production, sales, and after-sales. It has a very high cost-performance ratio and will create more affordable motorcycle in the future. Are you excited before the screen? If you are interested in our motorcycle, you can leave a message in the comment area. We will show your excellent service. That's all for today's share. Goodbye. Thank you.
When I can finish this kind of life. What? Something happens over there. Making a new house? Why do they have so much money? DAYUN motorcycle? Buy it. I'll take this. Whoa, let's go! Making money! Okay, let's go. Okay. Amazing shock absorber. Comfortable, right? Fantastic.
Hey, what's up? I can take freight, no problem. Carrying 4 people. This motorbike, it's unbelievable. Money back. What's up? Put on here. It's so convenient. See you. A lot of money. Here we go. Superman is here. Never stop. Keep going. No peeking. It's a good way to making money. DY150-26A.